Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Kakyang nong ba Government College hakalai pautrik unailur arjar arfuar. Kalapulong yung annual freshers meet arjar arfuar. Ne kajing Pdiang sobhai Samla Pule badang Thymmai. Dakababuru yakapang coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Yakani kajayalang lapanya ada kakyang nong ba Government College Student Union. Balapulong hakyang nong ba Government College Auditorium Hall. Hakabala sakhilang do Menteri Katanat Pule Puthi ke Sarkar Jelau ba Lakmen Rumbui UMDC ke Jawai Central ba Andrew Shulai ke Principal jong ke Kiang Nong ba Government College ke Dr. E.M. Bla kinong hikai bat ki Samla Pule.
Make sure the time you have in this college, make sure the time you spend in this next 4-5 semesters you spend in the college, make it to be the best time, and make sure you become an influence to each and everyone, to each and every student. Because now there are so many influence from the negative sides that we need people, we need students who are able to encourage each other and influence each other in the right direction. This will help you one more suggestion I would like to give to all students. In this time, in the college time, find friends who are there to share your same hobbies. This is the time where you develop your hobbies, and together with friends who share the same hobbies, you can grow in what you are interested, and it will shape your future also.
The time has arrived that you should prepare yourself to face this challenging world. School education has taught you how to move forward. Your teachers have groomed you in your elementary schools, higher secondary schools, how to face the challenge in this competitive world of college life. The first problem you face, many of you, is whether I will get admission or not. Your mindset is not settled until and unless you are assured to get a seat. And you are very lucky this year that through the intervention of the government of Meghalaya, that you are exempted from CUET UG. Just imagine that if you have to undergo that test, till date, you will not be assured where is the place to study or whether you could continue or not your education. But as I said, because the government of India have accepted this year that you are here today. My dear friend, that is the first challenge. And you overcome that challenge only through your hard work in the higher secondary stage. And now you have to prepare yourself. What next? Don't only think about your semester. Think about how to prepare yourself to face the CUET of PG if you really want to continue your higher studies. So this preparation help you in empower you psychologically, mentally, and life with purpose. So my dear friend, challenge is plenty. As I used to say, that adversity is the mother of invention. The saying says that. And problem also opened a new opportunity. If you see that problem as an obstacle, then you need to introspect. But identify the problem. If you try to find a solution to the problem, you are part and parcel of the catalyst to solve the problem. Problem is plenty. Problem is faced by everybody, not only by the people in the hands of affairs or by the student community, but even in the family also. We have our own personal problems, and nobody could solve the problem only by you yourself. I used to say, even me myself also, I cannot satisfy my own needs, nor I could satisfy or follow what I want to do. You also, you have to face so many problems. You want to study at least 6-7 hours a day, but some part of your body or your mind don't want to study. You end up studying at least 2-3 hours a day. So to satisfy your need, it needs the synchronizing of mind, thought, and the goal ahead. We have our own skills. We should enhance our skills. We have our own inborn intellect. In this college, Kngc College, you should enhance the intellectual in us so that we could overcome the problem. So, because if our mindset is programmed only to go to college, to go to school, to get government job, that is not done. Our thought process should be very dynamic according to the situation. Because from class 10 till graduate, postgraduate, and all different lines, in the state of Meghalaya, about 35,000 youth are passing their exam from class 10 till postgraduate. And do you think that there is a government job for these 35,000 youth a year? But where all these youth go? It is their skills, it is the intellect which they have in them, and it's the learning which they got from the college, from Kngc College, the education which they got from the community that helped them to stand in their own faith. So that's why don't ever lose hope. Life is full of opportunity. Who ever thought that Lakalong Sunrise could be marketed from Maugayao, Maukandek, and it will reach different parts of the world? Who ever thought that you could learn something from other university of the world without stepping out of the shore of our motherland, India? Opportunity is plenty. And whoever thought that YouTuber Chiung could create such a sensation in the media world, social media world? So life is plenty of opportunity, but if you think that life is easy, then it is not done. So you have to work hard. You have to work into the goal of your cherished dream. And as I said before, synchronize your mindset. And don't let any problem or obstacle could scuttle your way forward. I used to tell, if the door is closed, remember, there is a window. And if window is closed, there is always a skylight. And if the skylight is closed, there is always something beyond that. So think beyond. Think beyond the problem. And don't think only at the problem. That's why we, in the government, especially in the education sector, if I look at the problem, I could not come out from my house. Because the moment I step, I will see something is there, which needs the attention of the government. But we have to work hard to solve the problem. That's why today, when President of the Kngc Government College Student Union informed me that the morning lecturer that they have not get enhanced salary, I was surprised because I have already approved from the 1st of April 2021, all these lecturers will be paid at the rate of 15,000. When I asked the principal, she told that she have not received order. Order have been paid, but they have prepared the statement. And when we visit other school, we see the infrastructure. That's why I'm very happy. At least for the government, I am here to look at the interest of the government sector, not only government sector or all education, but particularly the government sector, because why? Nobody remember government schools or government institution, because as you say that they left just like the nobody owned it. As the government school, government institution is the community owned. We should have a sense of ownership. Since 2009, Bakmara Government College does not have any building of its own. Sora College, but we did it. And for the last many years, many colleges, they are in the third cycle of now. But I'm very happy, Kngc College, they work. There are so many problems. I'm very thankful to the teaching community, to the staff, that they try to do their best. And they got NAC accreditation. NAC accreditation, it does not end there. It is a very, very critical, because whatever deficiency which is there, it is the collective responsibility of the college and the government to solve it. I'm very happy that during this last 1 year, not only Kngc, even Tura Government College, Sora Government College, they got NAC accreditation. This is not a very easy step, but it will lay a foundation to have the quality education in the state of Meghalaya.
Awak bat-bat ya iriam iba na ikan lang hados lakda yo sarno bukam bukana nay man nay lam wayo chom kya na iriam iba
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.